Welcome to Buzzer Trader. Now we will dive deep to check what is the best time frame to trade Forex. Let's open MetaTrader 4 and find out and why you should trade the best time frames that I'm gonna show you. Alright, we can choose any currency pair. For example, now let's choose let's say Euro USD. Alright, let's open the chart. Alright, now we have Euro USD. First thing first, you must know that you have two time frames. You have yours and you have the one which the market is using. So what is yours and what is the market is time frame is using? All right, let me explain that so that you understand before we go to talk about the time frame, which is the best that you can use to trade. The first thing, your time frame. All right, we are living in different countries. That's something that we know. And if we take a look, you must work with your own time, because you cannot wake up while you're sleeping and you cannot wake up at night and trade. Some they do, but some they can't. So let's talk about the one for the market, the time frame the market is using, and the best one. The best time frame for the market is any time frame. Why I'm saying any time frame is because this is affected by the kind of a trader you are. Let's say if you're a scalper, you use 1 minute, right? We go to 1 minute. You are a scalper, you use 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes. So what happens is that you can find best setup anytime from trading 1 minute. But when you are a day trader, let's say you are on 1 hour. If you are on 1 hour, for you to get a setup, you have to wait for a certain time, which it can take a lot for you to get a setup and trade. All right, let me repeat that again so that you understand much better. The first thing, let me start from where I was talking about the time frame, which are two. The first time frame is yours. The second time frame is the market. The first time frame is your time frame in your country. So if ever you are able to wake up at night and trade, sacrificing not to sleep, then it's all right. But if you cannot, then you need to adjust your own time before you go to the market. For example, us in South Africa, we are more blessed because the market we usually trade during the day, and most of us we usually trade during the day. And when we trade during the day, that's when the market is more active. So before getting there, let me just explain this one, and then we understand it, we move along. The best time frame is for you to choose which time frame is best during the day for you, that you can say this time frame I can be able to work on the market, this time frame I can be able to work on the market, and why. The number two is the market. So the market time frame will affect your time frame. That's the bad thing about it. The market time frame will affect your time frame. Why? Because of the strategy. Let's say the strategy that you have, it says that you should start trading in London session or Asian session or New York session. So, as you know, for us in South Africa, it's better because we trade London session while it is during the day. So in some other countries, it's during the night. So that's the best thing about it. So for now, let's clarify this thing and get it sorted. First thing first, you must know that the market is more active during London. It's more active during New York session. So these are two sessions that the market is more active. The Asian, it is not active, but if you are able to trade during an Asian session because of your strategy that is allowing you and your best time frame that you think it is gonna work with you, not that you want to sleep while the market is giving you opportunities. So you have to sacrifice between the two. So now, first thing first, you must know that the market is more active in London and is more active in New York. So when it's more active in London, that's when the bigger companies and everything that is happening around, it's involved in the market. That's the first thing that you should know about what is the best time frame. And the best time frame too is working with the days. So during the week, market cannot be active from Monday to Friday. It cannot be active from Monday to Friday. So my recommendation is that when you want to trade, make it a point that you start from Tuesday and you end trading on Thursday. Because if you are ending trading on Thursday, the market is more volatile on Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday. But Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, those are the days that are best for trading. And the time frame which is best is you can use, it depends on the strategy, but for me, I use 1 hour. So the best time frame is 1 hour, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 15 minutes. These two, 1 hour, 15 minutes. And the last one, remember, you use 1 hour, you use 15 minutes. I don't know what strategy you are using, but I prefer 1 hour and 15 minutes so that when I get an opportunity in 1 hour, it takes time. 15 minutes I can trade, but I use it for day trading. And I start trading on London. The London, I start trading there. Close of London, I'm done. Only one session. You trade only one session. Time frame, let's go to use the crosshead and start from here. Start trading here. And then from 10, which is 10 o'clock in South African time. And then you can change the time frame to your own time frame, whichever country you are. So for now, understand that time frame it's more like it's affected because of most of the things that are happening, your country time frame, your own time frame that you want to use, and the strategy is affecting the time frame, and also the time frame that you want to get in the market on the sessions. That's all that you have to know about time frame, the best time frame. It's more like a thing of it's complex, but it is not complex at all. Understand sessions. First thing first, understand session. What session can you use? Because those are the most bigger things that you should focus on. I know your time frame is important too, but the market time frame it's more important than yours. So you check session. What session are you going to trade the market? Is it Asian? Is it London? Is it New York? For me, I recommend London and New York. The two. Leave Asian because Asian is just market is moving around in a range and then it's not doing anything much unless if doing news. So that's why I'm saying some they trade the news, which is the time frame that they prefer. Some they trade technical just like me, which is something that I prefer. So that's what I do, and when you do that, you'll understand that okay, I'm trading on the London and New York, and then when you trade there, you are done for the day. So that's the best time frame to trade Forex, and you need to be very selective so you don't trade any pair. So you trade only a selective currency. You are selecting currency that you prefer, and these are the best, and they can move a day because not every currency pair can move a lot of pips a day. it does not happen that way. So you choose the one which is best for you, and then when you're done, you are sorted. So as you can see here, I have Euro USD, which is a currency pair that I don't trade. I know it does move, but not all of the time. It does not move the way that I prefer, so I'm not trading it. I don't trade Euro USD, but I was trading then there, but it's not a currency pair that I'm so selective on. So for now, stick to trading 1 hour, 15 minutes. If you have a strategy, analyze the strategy or use a strategy using 1 hour, 15 minutes. And the session, use London and New York. And the last thing, check with your time frame. Are you going to sacrifice to wake up at night? If then is yes, then you are good to go. But if not, then you can change the sessions and go to the other sessions, which is agent. Manage there, do your best there. That's all that I want you to know about what is the best time frame that you can take or you can use as a forex trader. It's really that simple. God bless everybody. Yours truly, Positive Trader, signing